Yes, but so now we will discuss some new cases, some more cases. So the case is now when new or incoming partner both terms are same. New or incoming partner एक ही बात होती है. When new or incoming partner get his share in a particular fraction from old or existing partners. Particular fraction में मिल रहा है उनको. Okay. For example, suppose कीजिए एक क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं. X and Y are partners and sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. X surrender. Now the new ratio of new partner is not given. In place of new ratio, some fraction share of the existing partner sacrifice ratio is given. Okay, so X surrender. Suppose 1/3 of his share. For suppose Z is a new partner, and for Z incoming, X is surrender 1/3 of his share. Okay, and Y is sacrificing or Y is surrender. मान लेते हैं 2/3 of his share in the favor of Z. So what is the difference in this case? The case difference is normally in questions the ratio of the new partner is given, but this question the ratio of new partner is not given. So first we need to find out the ratio of the new partner. What we need to find? The ratio of new partner, the share of new partner, and the second is new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio of all partners, including you. दो चीजें निकालनी है इस क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है. सो एक्स सैक्रिफाइस, एक्स के लिए क्या बोला हुआ है? एक्स सरेंडरिंग 1/3 ऑफ हिज शेयर. एक्स का शेयर कितना है बेटा? 2/3, and out of that 1/3 is surrender in favor of Z. So X is giving 2/9 share to Z. Okay, Y is sacrificing 1/3 उसका शेयर है और उसका वो 2/3 दे रहे हैं. अपने शेयर का 2/3 is sacrificing, so that is 2/9. Again Y is also giving 2/9, X is also giving 2/9. So what is the new share of Z? Z का न्यू शेयर क्या हुआ? Z का न्यू शेयर हुआ जो X ने सैक्रिफाइस किया and the Y sacrifice. जो X और Y ने जो सैक्रिफाइस किया, that is the new share of Z. वही तो उसको मिलेगा. That is 4/9. So the new ratio of Z is 4/9. ठीक है. Now we will calculate what is the new of X. X के पास क्या था? X was having 2/3, and out of that 2/9 he has offered to Z. तो उनके पास क्या बच गया? 3 is the 9, 2 3 is 6, so 4/9. What is remaining with Y? That is the new of Y. Y was having 1/3, and out of that 2/9 he has offered to Z. It means 1/9 and 4/9 is the new share of Z. So new share between X by Z, you can see now 4:1:4. This is the answer of this question. So I think the case is clear to you. See now the next case. See when one of the existing partner retain his original share of profit on admission of a new partner. new partner is admitted, new partner is going to admit, and on the basis of admission, any of the existing partner do not want to leave a share. He want कि whatever his existing ratio is there, the same he want to continue. दोबारा समझ लीजिए, अगर कोई पार्टनर नए पार्टनर के आने के बाद भी अपना शेयर सैक्रिफाइस करने के लिए रेडी नहीं है, वो कहता है कि जो मेरा पुराना शेयर था आई कंटिन्यू विद दैट, ठीक है, तो हाउ वी विल सॉल्व, ठीक है. सो वी आर कंसीडरिंग वन मोर एग्जांपल. सपोज A and B are partners and sharing in the ratio of 2:1. तीन ले लेते हैं. A, B, C are partners and sharing in the ratio of 2:1:2. Fine. Q is admitting into the partnership. The new partner is coming, that is Q. Q is admitting and Q is coming for 1/5 share in the profit. 1/5 share. And now he is taking a share from B and C only. A is not ready to give anything. Only he is taking from B and C, and the ratio is managed equally. He is taking from B and C in equal ratio. Fine. कोई भी रेशियो हो सकता है, 2:3 भी हो सकता है, कोई भी रेशियो हम मान सकते हैं. I am assuming कि B and C is sacrificing in equal ratio. So how we will calculate the new ratio of A, B, C, Q? First, A sacrifice nothing. इन्हें कुछ भी sacrifice किया? Nothing. He want his ordinal share. What B sacrifice? B ने 1/5 का 1/2 share sacrifice किया, that is 1/10, and C is also offering 1/10. 1/5 into 1/2, that is 1/10. Now we can calculate the new ratio of A, B, C, D. What will be the new ratio of A? The old existing, that is 2/5. ओल्ड कितना था उसका 2/5. He don't want to change his share, तो उसका existing वही रहेगा. What will be the share of B? He was having 1/5, and out of 1/5, 1/10 he has given to C, Q. So the LCM will be 10. 2 minus 1, that is 1/10. B is now having 1/10 share. Okay. C was having 2/5 share, and out of that 1/10 he has given to Q. So again, the LCM is 10. 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4, 3/10 is remaining, and Q, that is 1/5. अब हम सबके बेस सेम कर लेते हैं, तो 2 सेम द बेस, इसको तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 कर देंगे, एक ही शेयर को, that is 4/10 हो जाएगा, और इसका भी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करना पड़ेगा, that is 2/10. The ratio between A, B, C and Q become 4, 1, 3, 2. This is the new profit sharing ratio of the new partner, including new partner. देखिए, अभी तक जो भी cases we are discussing, that is related to calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Now 3 cases are there, only last 3 cases that will help you to find out the sacrificing ratio. ठीक है, इनके थ्रू हम लोग sacrificing ratio निकालना सीखेंगे. See, the first is when profit share of new or incoming partner is given, without giving the details of sacrificing made by old or existing partners. See, this is the same case which we have explained in video number 1. Okay. For example, A, B, C are the partners and the ratio is 3:2:1, and D is admitted for 1/4 share. Find out new profit sharing ratio. Only the information दे रखी है. सीधा new profit sharing ratio निकालो. अब this is not given कि जो D को 1/4 share मिल रहा है, whatever D is getting. अब who is giving this share? This share is given by A, B, C, or individually A or B or C, or if all 3 are given, then what ratio they are given? This is not given. ये गिवन नहीं है हमें। अगर वो तीनों में दे रहे हैं तो क्या रेशियो में दे रहे हैं? तो इसके लिए आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि इफ नथिंग इज गिवन, if nothing is mentioned in the question, in that case sacrificing ratio for the old partner, is there a old ratio? Old partners का sacrificing ratio old ratio होगा, as well as new ratio भी old ratio होगा, लेकिन किसके लिए? Only for old partners. If the sacrificing ratio is not even given in the question of the old partner and the new ratio of the old partner is also not given, in that case the old ratio of the partners will be considered as their sacrificing ratio as well as their new ratio. ठीक है, तो इस केस में हम क्या मानेंगे? sacrificing 3:1. So I think you can solve this question very easily. We have two examples we have solved in video number 1 also. If you want to see, you can check from there. Now the next case is when old profit sharing ratio of old or existing partners and new profit sharing ratio of all the partners is given. अब यहाँ पे what is the meaning of all the partners? All the partner का meaning है including new. Old का भी given है और new वाले का भी given है. तो in that case how we will calculate the sacrificing ratio? फिर कैसे निकालेंगे sacrificing ratio? आपको old profit sharing ratio भी given है old partners का and new profit sharing ratio given है including new partner का. For example, A, B, C are partner. The old profit sharing ratio मान लेते हैं इनका 2:1:2, ठीक है, and D is admitted for as a new partner, and the new profit sharing ratio between A, B, C, D, that is 2:1:2:1. This is given. ऐसे दे रखा है. So how we will find out? अब यहाँ पर क्या बचा आपके पास find out करने के लिए? Only sacrificing ratio. So how you will find out? The formula for sacrificing ratio that you know.
Yes.
Old ratio minus new ratio. आपके पास old ratio भी है और new ratio भी. Individually calculate कर लीजिए. A sacrifice 2/5 and the new ratio of A is 2/6. 30. 2/30. B sacrifice. Old was 1/5, new was 1/6. 30. 5 6 are 30. 6 5 are 30. 1/30. And C is sacrifice. That is 2/5 minus 2/6. 30. 12 minus 10. 2/30. So now you are having the sacrificing ratio. D के लिए तो check कर नहीं सकते because D तो new partner है. So he is not sacrificing. So new ratio between sacrificing ratio between A, B, C is now 2:1:2. This is their sacrificing ratio. So if new ratio of the partners including new partner is given and old partner ratio is given, then you can calculate sacrificing ratio very easily. Now the last third case for sacrificing ratio is when new or incoming partner takes profit share of a particular fraction of profit shares sacrificed by old partners. अब यहाँ पे क्या given है आपको, when new or incoming partner take profit share of a particular fraction of profit share sacrificed by the old partners. यहाँ पर भी वही केस है, द न्यू पार्टनर का आपको न्यू रेशियो गिवन नहीं है, ओनली आपको ओल्ड पार्टनर्स का सैक्रिफाइसिंग फ्रैक्शन इज गिवन. ओके, लेट्स कंसीडर वन मोर एग्जांपल. सपोज P and Q are partners and sharing profit in the ratio of 7:3, and Z is admitted in the new firm, and Z is acquiring suppose 75% of his share from X and 25% from Y. ठीक है, and Z का जो रेशियो देगा सपोज कीजिए that is 1/5. Z is coming for 1/5 and he is taking 75% from X and 25% from Y. So here 75% and 25% आप इसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 75% को लिखेंगे आप 75/100, so this become 3/4, and when you will convert 25%, so this become 1/4. So Z is getting 3/4 share from X and Y से कितना ले रहा है वो 1/4. ठीक है, अगेन दिस इज द रेशियो. अभी तो मुझे सिर्फ रेशियो मालूम पड़े. देन Z का शेयर कितना है 1/5. तो व्हाट X इज एक्चुअली सैक्रिफाइस, एक्चुअल में कितना सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है X? 1/5 का 3/4, दैट इज 3/20, and Y is sacrificing 1/5 का 1/4, that is 1/20. This is the actual sacrifice. Now with the help of these sacrificing shares, we can calculate new ratio of X and Y. So X new is old is 7/10 and 3/20. Their sacrifice ratio is 20, 10 to the 20, 7 to the 14, and minus 3. The new ratio of the X will be 11/20. Same calculation for Y. Old is 3/10 and sacrificing is 1/20. 20, 10 to the 20, 3 to the 6, minus 1, that is 5/20. And Z is coming for 1/5, or to the same the denominator, we will multiply it by 4, it becomes 4/24. So new ratio between X, Y, Z become 11:5:4. So these are the all the cases. In these cases, you will get the question related to find out the new profit sharing ratio or either sacrificing ratio.